Responsibilities of safety officer. To advise and assist the factory management in the fulfillment of its obligations, statutory otherwise concerning prevention of personal injuries and maintaining a safe working environment. To advise in planning and organizing measures for effective control. To advise safety aspects in all jobs. To check and evaluate the effectiveness of the action taken. To advise S&P dept for quality and availability of PPEs. To advise to carrying out plant safety inspections. To carry out plant safety inspections. To advise on reporting and investigation of accidents. To investigate selected accidents. To investigate the cases of industrial diseases, dangerous occurrence reportable under rules. To advise on the maintenance of such records as are necessary relating to accidents, to an IDs. To promote setting up of safety committees and act as advisor to such committees. To organize in association with concerned dept campaigns, contests and other activities for establishing safe working environment. To conduct suitable safety training for prevention